Good morning, Henry Perez.
Good morning, Charlie. How are you?
Very good. What's happening at Bahia Principe?
Bahia Principe, we have a lot going on, Charlie. We closed one of our resorts last year in Punta Cana, Bahia Principe Luxury Esala. Closed it for 6 months, completely renovated it. Brand spanking new restaurants, bars, pool area. We added Suma rooms to the ground floor rooms. We're also renovating Bahia Principe Grand Baro, Bahia Principe Grand Punta Cana. We're renovating Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica as well. And last but not least, we're renovating Bahia Principe Luxury Esala in Riviera Maya, which we're also adding Suma rooms to that property. So lots of renovations going on, so it's good news all around.
Wow.
Yes, yes.
The timing for this renovation,
Yes.
post-COVID.
Yes, we renovated one property during COVID in Samana, Bahia Principe Grand El Portillo. And then post-COVID, we just decided to go on ahead and start the process of renovating, not all of our resorts, but some of our resorts. Yes.
And you cater to family,
We have, yes.
couples, seniors.
If they have a heartbeat, we cater to them, Charlie. We have some of our properties are adults only. Some of our properties are for families, family friendly. We have a combination of both. If the client wants to do absolutely nothing but lie down at the pool all day, they can do that. If you're looking for activities, nightlife, partying, phone parties, they can do that as well. So we cater to pretty much any clientele, whatever their needs may be.
You have a travel agent training program for them to
We
learn?
do on our website, BahiaPrincipe.com. They just click on Pro Agents and they can register there. They have a lot of training information and material there, as well as virtual tours of our resorts. Lots of info on there.
I know you look after the U.S. market.
Yes.
How much European traffic do the properties receive?
Actually, I do U.S. and Canada. Our properties in general we're really strong with the Canadian market. So and then the U.S. market, and then last but not least is the European market. We do a lot of European business, but our top markets are at the moment Canada and then U.S.
Huh.
Yep.
Thank you so very much, and pleasure to meet you.
Great to be here. Thank you.